Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to model hexagonal close-packed structure in FreeCAD. Hexagonal close-packed structure is composite of three identical parallel pipes and it contains 6 atoms per unit cell and the dimensions relationships as shown in these figures. Let's start modeling. Okay, let's create new file and select part workbench. Click on sketch, choose XY plane, draw parallelogram. To do this, we draw polyline first and make sure the length 10 millimeter and the angle between the two lines set to 120 and make this and this one equal and make sure again this length 10 is okay and right other line okay and then this two parallel trim by extra line close fully constrained close and we make this parallel pipe. To do this we choose extrude and the height C set to 16.33. Okay, then we have to find the triangle center point. To do this, sketch, choose this plane and sketch. Okay, and this time we can use this line and the make line. Okay, and find the triangle center point. To do this, I use the center line and other again. Okay, then trim away the extra line. Okay, and choose this point, center of the triangle. Close. Okay, we can see this point. One atom will be placed at this point. So next we place atoms each corner of the parallelogram and this parallel pipe too. To do this, choose sphere and go to lattice 2 workbench and choose 1 point and click attached placement and translate origin. Okay, we do this thing 3 times. Okay, and make 4 placement into 1 using join. Okay, and the size set to 1.5. Now we populate the sphere to the corners. To do this, we use populate with copies. Now it's okay, and make them mirror. Use this. Select opposite plane and mirror, and choose mirror. Position, placement, position. Z set to 16.33. Okay, make sphere unseen. Now each corner is occupied with atom, and make this 2 atom union. Go to part workbench, make them union. Okay, then choose extrude and fusion and intersection. Okay, now the corner atom, unit cell corner atom is complete. Next, go to part lattice to workbench again and click this point and placement, translate origin. Okay, and this will be center atom, and we choose sphere and placement and populate with copies. Now the one atom is already here, but the position is different. This time we choose the position half of the highest of parallel piped. It's 8.165. That should be minus. Okay. Now the center atom also arrange it. Let's arrange it, but here little bit problem. I make this 3 times and rotate it 3 times. To do this, this plane should be cut. The sphere of this part should be delayed. To do this, I choose this plane and go to part workbench and select shape builder. Select edge from vertex and choose this to this, create, and this create. Okay, and wire from edges and choose this side, create. Okay, create, close. Now we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. If we make them unseen, we can see this plane, this frame, and choose all frame and go to part, join, connect shape, then select connect and face from wires, make plane. Okay, choose sphere and the face, slice apart. Okay, so we can see here already slice it. Okay, now make them unseen. Okay, so okay, now one unit cell, primitive unit cell is finished. Top. Okay, and then I copy this 3 times. Okay, 1, 2. Then choose this one, choose common, and slice it sphere, and angle set to 120. Okay. Now 2 thread of the HCP is finished. So next we choose this one and this one and this. The angle select 240. Okay. Now HCP structure is complete. So we can change the color. The center atom. Oh no, appearance. I chose just red. Close. Okay. And choose select them again. No need transfer. Okay. Now we can easily see this bottom ABA. So the bottom has 1.5 atom, 3 atom, 1.5 atom. Total is 6 atom is included in this unit cell.